To fix this, open the Start menu, type PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator.
Once the Windows terminal opens, copy and paste the following 2 commands into the terminal and hit Enter. You'll find both commands in the description below. After the commands finish, close the terminal and restart your computer. Once the computer restarts, your issue should be resolved. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.